too. Hi. Oh, I wish I brought you some bananas.
สวัสดีครับ
What a cutie,
That's
aren't
so
you?
cool.
Oh, he's shy. He's going back.
And we just park our bike there.
Did you see his family up on the hill? I see 5 more elephants, 6 more elephants up there.
Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3 elephants. Oh, there's a bunch over there.
We haven't seen elephants since we left Chiang Mai.
You know, since you married me, you can actually buy an elephant. Legally, you can own an elephant.
So can we buy an elephant?
Of course. How many do you want?
Just one.
Just one?
A baby.
Park it in our parking lot?
We can take it to town, right?
Yes. Come here. Come. Over here. Come. Come. Look at that. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Let's go to the waterfall.
Bye. Nice to meet you. We're at the entrance of the Na Muang Waterfall 2. And it's pretty empty. There is no one here. Looks like there's usually like an ATV business running here and some like elephant adventures, elephant trekking. It's 4x4 off-road to the waterfall for 100 baht per person.
It's not operating right now because of COVID.
Yeah, there's like no one here, right? Here, waterfall 2. Samui Tropical Garden. Looks like it's not operating as well. The best time to come is between September to November when their pools are more filled with water because it's starting to rain a little bit. But we're in December right now and it's like the height of rainy season. So it should be really beautiful, but we might also run into a rainstorm happening here. So we'll see if we're lucky.
I wonder if we could have just asked them if we can drive the motorbike up here.
It's only 100 meters though, I think.
Really?
Yeah, to the first waterfall.
I'm just being lazy.
Don't be lazy. It's been raining every day, so we've been staying at home. So it's nice to get out and get some fresh air and walk around. We almost canceled our adventure today because it started raining as we were heading out. A good thing it stopped. You can see it. Part of it is right there. There is a famous cobra show around here. That kind of freaks me out because I don't want to see any cobras that are loose around here on the roads. Oh! 100 meters.
If we could have parked here and it would have been only 100 meters walk.
Hey. Hey, look at me.
I'm not complaining.
Good. It says 1 by 1. Be careful, the bridge is not strong. It says do not take photos on the bridge.
Okay.
Are you planning to take a photo?
Yeah. Look at the view over there. You can see the ocean.
Can you see? Oh, hello.
ตกปลาเหรอครับ ได้ไหมครับโอ้อ๋อ
เป็นแม่ปลาตกแบบสนุกนั่นแหละ
อันนี้ไปทอดกินได้เนาะ
ได้ครับ
เชิญเลยครับ
ค่อยๆขึ้นมันลื่นนะ
โอเค
ลื่นมากๆเลย
He said to be very careful up there because it's very slippery and the water is stronger than usual. He caught a lot of little fish, but how did the fish get up there? Interesting.
Dripping in sweat, but we are finally here at the top of the Na Muang Waterfall too. It is gorgeous up here. What do you think?
Words can describe the view.
Like literally, he was out of words. It's been raining really hard the last 3 days, so you can see how full the waterfall is. It is quite powerful, so we have to be very careful about where we walk. Are you going to go for a little dip in the water?
Yeah. Ready? Oh my god, the force! Wow!
My bikini's coming up!
Actually pretty cold. But it's totally worth it, right?
I'm getting hot. I was gonna say, I'm getting used to the cold, but... That waterfall is amazing. It's getting a little dark now, so we're going to head back down.
It was probably one of the nicest waterfalls we have seen. And the water is so refreshing.
Yeah, there's so much water today that like, just the force of it is crazy.
Yeah.
It was super cold, to be honest, in the beginning, but then you got used to it and it was lovely. I think I was in the water for like 15 minutes at least. But yeah, we had the waterfall all to ourselves today. That was amazing. We're glad we got a couple hours with no rain today so we could go on this waterfall adventure. We hope you enjoyed it. Please leave us a comment if you have time. We would love to hear from you. Please also like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. We are getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so a little subscribe would really help us hit that goal, maybe in the new year. I hope you enjoyed our video today, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Have a wonderful day. Bye! Bye! Bloopers! Spider!
Oh my god, where? No, it's dead, babe.
I feel like there's like something lurking underneath. Kind of freaks me out. Oh my god. That was a leaf.
Oi! Hey, you can't just jump up here. What are you doing?